Alright, hey guys, here's the other of the two Homestead Alantises. Or to be Alanti. These are questions we should be asking. Anyways, this is the other of the two that I picked up off of Craigslist a couple days ago. It's in pretty good condition, just like the other one. The only difference is I added a shorter down rod for the sake of video. Original down rod's right there, and of course my dog's wandering again. Anyways, I'm testing with this Hunter remote. Came with the Studio Series. Anyways, let's get started. Come on. Sometimes it's unresponsive. Come on, really? Oh, there it goes. Oh, my dog wants to go in. Alright. Anyways, I said this in the other video, but I'll say it again. This is just, it's a really cool design. Unfortunately, you don't see it too much when the fan's actually on. Oh wow, I'm already getting good airflow, even on low. These are cool. I like how, I like how quiet this is. This is way more quiet than my Universal. I think it has an even bigger spinner motor. It seems like it takes up more room, or maybe it's just how the blades mount that appears that way. I didn't go too much into it to see. Let's go to medium. And like the other one, it does wobble. So, nothing too serious. I don't remember which one. I think it was this one that had the weight on it. And as I'm sure you can tell, it moves a good amount of air. Needs to be tight more, kind of creaks. Go too high. And yeah, this thing's powerful. Like this is easily stack motor type. Like I would say this is as much as a K55. Maybe negligibly less. I butchered that. It's maybe a little less. How about that? Please turn it off. And yeah, I unfortunately don't have a light bulb for it, so we're just gonna test it without the bulb, because I don't want to test it with the bulb that I have on the Stealth, because I don't want to end up frying anything, even if it is temporary. You know, I just don't want to risk ruining this. And I am using the same globe from the other one because I don't have the globe with me. I think I left that in my mom's car. Try to reverse while we're sitting here. Man, I just wish I had somewhere to install these because they're so cool. I'm assuming these were installed together because they do have the same frequency setup on both of them, which I could see because the guy only has one remote. But something that I just don't understand is why did the Studio Series both have the same frequency? You know, I wouldn't think they were in the same room together because they had different light kits. You know, if you have one in each bedroom, you know, you're gonna end up either turning the other one on or turning that one on. You know, the chances of that happening is pretty high. I don't know. I don't know what to do with these studio shoes. Kind of bought them just because. I don't even know if it was for the remote, just the fact that I wanted some studio series. Maybe I can install them in my uncle's house. Or grandpa's. I guess it could be either one because my grandpa lives with my uncle. Living room. I kind of wanted to put the derby in there though. If I get another white derby, that's what I'll do. I'll find something for him. Man, spin down on these things is crazy. That's one thing I hate about Homestead is their spin downs are like obnoxiously long. Oh, now I remember where else I saw Homesteads was at that nursery. Duh. I used to see those like all the time. I said in my last video that these things they're noisy. Or not these, but Homestead, like Universal spinner motor Homesteads, they're noisy. And I don't remember where I saw. I think I saw them at like a gas station or no, a museum. And I forgot about the ones at the nursery that I just videotaped. Oh, what was it, last week? It was probably about last week sometime. I think they ran those in the winter, but I've never seen them run in the summer. In fact, I can't recall seeing them run in years. It's probably been about 5 years. Come on, any day now. This is like, oh, what can I compare this to? Like a industrial with steel blades. I don't know what makes these so long. If it's bearings or I don't know. I don't think motor. Motor could if it's oh, who makes these motors? Healthy? I don't remember who makes them. Not Alaska. Anyways, they do have a big motor. I wonder if that has anything to do with their spin down. Oh my gosh. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but spin down seems like it's a lot longer on this one than it was on the other one. It's funny, I'm using a Hunter remote on a Homestead fan. Yeah, good. I mean, as much as spin down is good, it's so annoying when you're taking videos. There we go. Oh, it's going. There we go. Yeah, this is turning out a lot better than the last one because the last one had a huge downrod on it. I think I'm feeling a little air even on reverse. I think it's bounced off the ceiling and hitting me. Go to medium. Making some weird noise. Huh. Let's go too high. I don't like that creaking, that's kind of annoying. Probably just needs to be tightened better. Or maybe it needs washers. Yep, Design House is going. Anyways. I don't know why I keep remembering to do the tag at the end of the video. I believe these also came in either antique brass or polished brass, and they also came in black. I think there's one in Milwaukee somewhere. Alright, and then yeah, 0.75 amps. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.